Hello and good morning. Welcome to our presentation on how data and algorithms power everything from your couch to global dominance. I am Biplab Paudel and we are a team of five of us. So without any delay, I would like to start our presentation. At first, we'll be covering up about the beginning of a digital era of Netflix, which is a short introduction of Netflix. Netflix as AI first company, analysis of its impact on performance, innovation, or decision making, consideration of ethical, legal, or social implications, and evidence of structured thinking, insights, and collaboration. So without any further delay, I would like to start my presentation. Netflix was first started as a DVD by mail rental company on Scotts Valley, California in the year 1997. In the year 1999, it launched its first subscription model, which was a turning point for Netflix. To be an AI first company, it isn't about a single event, but rather an evolutionary process which had a series of events. In the year 2000, Netflix launched its first recommendation algorithm, which started its AI journey. Well, this wasn't an accurate at the time. So, in October 2006, Netflix launched a public competition where the person or a team could win $1 million if they could improve their recommendation model even by 10%, which became a crucial for its success. They even provided 100 million movie ratings dataset, which was obviously anonymous, to predict how a user could rate a movie which they hadn't seen yet. And the result of that is with us today, which you can view as its recommendation system on Netflix. Of course, there has been several modifications as well as improvements to that system as of today. So Netflix launched its first streaming service on the year 2007, and they needed to personalize that vast digital catalog in the real time. So, which made AI or machine learning an operational necessity. To see how AI influenced such company, we can see an example. In the year 2012, millions of users had watched a British version of House of Cards movie, which was directed by David Fincher and acted by Kevin Spacey. Now, AI saw that users were searching movies of actor Kevin Spacey or directed by David Fincher and of genre political drama, which resulted in an algorithm identification of a growing audience on political drama, which was directed by David Fincher and acted by Kevin Spacey. So the Netflix, even without watching the pilot, they agreed upon creating a two-season show for House of Cards. This clearly shows how much accuracy was produced by AI and the belief of us on AI. Every successful business has its own challenges, and similarly, Netflix also faced its own challenge. As said on my previous slide, Netflix completely trusted AI's intuition whether or not a show will be success, and if it was found to be success, they agreed to release it. Similarly, we already know that from the recommendation system, viewers used to get a lot of recommended movies or shows, depending upon their geographical regions as well as their previous search history. Now, not all the shows are a huge success, and there is always a risk of losing a customer upon blindly following AI for recommendation as well as content. Another challenge that the Netflix faced was to run shows on multiple devices and running millions of devices, which is also a huge challenge for Netflix. Since from the content to recommendation, everything was managed by AI, it was a huge challenge to manage the budget as well. They had to take huge risk on a production of high quality shows and manage their expenses accordingly. Thank you from my side. And now the rest of the presentation will be followed by my friends. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ifra Javed. So the AI tools that we are discussing about that Netflix has been using are as follows. So the first one is the personalized recommendation system. So in the personalized recommendation system, what Netflix does is it generates and recommends content and based on the search history of the user and their geolocation. So for example, if I am in UK, it's going to recommend me the content that is UK based, mostly the all the content that is UK based and the content that I have watched in my past history. So then the second one is predictive analytics for success and member joy satisfaction. This basically is an analysis in which the Netflix uses AI tools to predict the potential success of a script or a genre or a movie or cast. It all of these in combined, it predicts. What Netflix does is the AI, it uses an AI to to predict the success of some movie or some show based on this these aspects, like analyzing the script, genre, and cast of these any of the movie or the show. It predicts the analysis that way. Then it predicts what the main thing that it tries to predict is the success of a movie based on its views, how many views it's going to get, how many what the customers are going to if the customers are going to like it or not. These are the basic things that it predicts. Then we have the third tool that AI that Netflix uses is machine learning, which enhances scheduling and budgeting. So in this part, what it does is it plans the films and the movies and the shows. The Netflix plans their releases accordingly based on the analyzing the past data and history of all the views. It got like for example, the Christmas time. During the Christmas time, most of the family movies are being watched. So this is how they analyze using machine learning. They analyze the budgeting, and this is how with this tool they basically schedule the movies accordingly, and with that they try to save money and time. uh, then we have the third tool, which is the video quality enhancement. So well, with the video quality enhancement, what they do is with the old movies and old shows that were filmed before the the enhanced cameras and the lenses. So their quality is pretty low. So what they do is they use they use AI to enhance the quality of the videos and the picture quality, so it can give a better user experience. Then they also use Netflix also use automated editing and previews. This feature is basically it uses the generative AI tools to um, to automatically create the audios and generate rough cuts for thumbnails and for the trailers and previews of any of the new releases or the old releases as well. To in it This is also used for enhancing customer in engagement. Then finally AI use the Netflix uses AI by streaming delivery and network optimization. So this is basically a better streaming quality. So in this one, AI uses adaptive algorithms like to adjust video qualities based on internet speeds. So what it does is for example, if I'm using a third quality internet, so it would adjust my screen quality, my video quality accordingly, and to remove any buffering or any delays in the views. So the video would run smoothly, although the quality would be a bit low, but it would run smoothly based on the network traffic and on the um, internet speed. Thank you.
Hello, it's me Suchita Sunar. Analysis of performance, innovation, or decision making. First, impact on performance. Talking about the Netflix performance due to the AI tools. Netflix algorithm recommends about 80% of what consumers watch. This increases customer satisfaction and lowers subscriber churn by assisting users in finding relevant material quickly. Second, impact on innovation. Netflix chooses which new original series or movies to make based on customer viewing data. Overall, innovation is now data driven rather than intuition based. Third, impact on decision making. Netflix continuously tests a new algorithm and design modification on the platform, which serves as a massive testing ground. Real so real user behavior and performance outcomes serve as the basis for decision. And the remaining slide continue by my friend.
My name is Akinyala Oluwafunilola. As my other colleagues have discussed, I will be discussing this slide, which is the key ethical, legal, and business implication of computationally driven digital platforms. Okay, ethically, when we discuss about this Netflix, ethically we're going to discuss about their hyper personalization, which can limit cultural and users' exposure and reinforce biases through repetitive content loops, as Augustine and Javier in 2021 point out that such system limits opportunities for diverse perspectives. And according to Netflix, legally, this their platform really rely heavily on behavioral data collection, such as pausing and also rewinding and also viewing some patterns, which raises serious privacy concerns. So continuous monitoring of users' activities calls into question some data protective principles. Many business platform uses appeal driver driven, which we all known as the black box system. Their lack of transparency undercut accountability and complicate efforts to assess fairness in content distribution. So in conclusion, in this slide I would like to say, while computational personalization promotes users engagement, it also raises significant ethical, legal and organizational concerns that necessitate careful regulation and also responsible system design. Thank you.
Here we talk about evidence of structure, thinking, insights, and collaboration. First, we follow the clear structure for analyzing Netflix as a AI first company. We broke the case study into four parts: the problem Netflix face, the AI solution they use, the impact of those AI tools, and finally the wiser implication. Following this structure help us keep our presentation logical, organized, and easy to understand. And we talk about our key insights. The key insights we discuss is that Netflix AI does far more than just recommend movies. AI actually drive almost every part of Netflix business. Like personalizing the home page, deciding which show to produce, and compressing videos for faster streaming, and you'll be able to predict when a user might unsubscribe with Netflix. So Netflix is not just using AI, it depends on AI to run the whole company. These insights help us to connect all the different AI tools into a big picture. And we talk about our team works. To prepare this presentation, we decided to divide the work so that everyone contributes clearly. We split the topic. For example, one person's research Netflix problem, another look at the AI tools, and other focus on impact. We share our findings during group meeting and then combine our work to create a smooth presentation. This collaboration helps us to understand the topic deeply and present it to you. So this is our reference. These are the key academic and industry sources we use for our research on Netflix as an AI first company. This topic covered by this source include Netflix AI strategies, and together this reference support our analysis and help validate made in our presentation. Thank you.
Okay, so I'd like to continue from our presentation as we left before. So from this project, our main learning was that Netflix is not just about a streaming company, but it's actually an AI first business company. Before this project, we mostly thought AI that is being used in Netflix is mostly about recommendation systems. But after that, we got to know that AI is in every part of the Netflix. It's in the core system of Netflix, from content decisions to budgeting and the streaming quality as well. One important learning was that Netflix uses data to reduce subscriber churn and users engaged. This project helped us to understand how AI can move from being a supportive tool to becoming a core business strategy. Thank you from my side.
Okay, so thanks, Biplav. So this project enabled us to understand how Netflix is using AI, as Biplab told us. So AI supports. We got to know with this project that AI supports better management decisions. Along with that, we got to know that how Netflix is using AI to test its ideas, analyze the viewer behavior, and predicts the success of its movies and shows that it's going to um, put forward in the future. This not only reduces risks and saves time and money as well. So yeah, that's from my side.
Hello, thank you for Ifra. Talking about the ethical and practical challenges while studying Netflix, we also identified several ethical and practical challenges. The first one is the hyper personalization, where users may only see similar type of content and limiting diversity. And another concern is data privacy, where Netflix collects detailed user data like watch time and it and users behavior. And the another last one is black box algorithm, which we already discussed in uh, our project. So yeah, these challenges helped us understand using AI responsibly and effectively. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, my colleague. As we have discussed earlier in the slide, this project has improved our understanding of how AI is used in build businesses. It has shown us the benefits and the challenges that AI has faced in their digital management. Also, I've also learned that teamwork and a clear communication is part of what we actually put in place to make this slide and this project to be at work and to be effective. Meanwhile, we consider other ethical responsibility at the same time, the group discussion, the video. There are some challenges we faced during, especially during my own video recording, I had challenges of uploading my video, which a colleague in the group assisted me to fill it. So those are part of our challenges that we had during the presentation. So I think I've learned a lot about communication and working as a team in a group as well. Over to my colleague.
So, addition to what my friends are saying is about the AI. AI is not just we understand when we did all the assignments in the group. So we share a lot of things among each other. We communicate. We meet each other to know what each and every one of us is going to talk about. For instance, when we share the work, so we say, okay, this person is going to talk from slide 1 to 2, or another person from slide 3 to 4. So for us to have idea on everything, it's not that maybe only one person is going to be the one to say everything about it. So and one member is going to research AI tools, and other will focus on ethics, and others will work on structure and presentation and the challenges we face through the difficulties. Also, for instance, the issue I face also, my own laptop is not having camera, so I need to fix it, do everything about it. That's why we bring all this out to structure everything. Thank you.